Kako, so welcome to another video. And before I start this video, I would like to clear things up for a little bit that I am not 15 years old and I'm actually turning 18 this year. So, and lalo pa ata naging mas mukhang bata because of my hairstyle. And yeah, I cannot think of any other hairstyle and madalas na ako nakapony. So, anyway, so I'm going to show you guys my school makeup routine that you can do or you could try. But disclaimer, I'm not a beauty guru. I'm just doing what I think that what works for me. So, yeah. First, I'm going to apply the Pond's White Beauty Pinkish White Glow Lightening Cream with Pro Vitamin B3 Complex plus Lippie. So what I like about this product is that it keeps my skin safe from UV rays, and dahil maaraw sa school namin, kailangan ko talaga to. Just going to apply that all over my face using my fingers. Don't worry, I cleaned my hand before I do this video. Oh my gosh, kitang-kita yung eye bags ko. To cover up those dark circles under my eyes, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I am in the shade 220 or Natural Beige. So for this step, you could either use a concealer that is really close to your skin tone or a foundation, or maybe you could use also a BB cream if you prefer that. But in my case, I'm going to use this one instead. Just going to pour a little bit of it on the back of my hand. Then I'm just going to use my fingers to apply it. Ooh, that's too much. To blend it using a brush or a sponge, but you can also use your finger also to blend it, but I prefer to use a brush. So as you can see, hindi ko siya siniswipe lang basta. Parang ginaganito ko rin, para hindi streaky tingnan. And also para mag-blend out siya. Yung forehead ko. That is because matatakpan naman ng bangs yun. Kaya, so for the blush, I actually learned this from one of my best friends na si Winona Main, and that is to use the NYX Powder Puff Lippie since powder finish naman siya. So, I swear, ang ganda na naging outcome or naging kinalabasan nitong Lippie nito as a blush. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is just to apply it on my cheeks. Just a little bit. And I'm just going to blend it with a brush. You could use your fingers for blending it, but I prefer to use a brush because I'm not fond of using my fingers when it comes to doing my makeup. And you're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Then what I like to do is also to apply it onto my nose. And then I'm just blending it again. You look like Rudolph. Oh, by the way, this lipstick, I got it from Winona Main, and thank you so much, Winona. I love you. And then to set my makeup, I'm going to use either a baby powder or this Nichido loose powder. I'm just going to put some on the lid, this, and then tap off the excess. Then I'm just going to apply it onto my face. Especially sa areas na kung saan nilagyan ko ng foundation para hindi mag-crease. Lalo na din sa nose because oily yung nose ko, pero sa other areas, okay naman. And I'm going to apply it onto where I put on my blush. Simula na nagkabangs ako, I don't do my eyebrows anymore because natatakpan naman siya. But for the sake of this video and for you guys, I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fashion Brow Pencil. So this end here is the pencil and this other one is the spoolie brush. So I'm just going to brush my eyebrows para ma-define yung shape or mas makita ko yung shape. And then what I do is extend the tails first. And then I'm just going to apply it a little bit, parang light-handed lang, ganun. I mean, hindi naman kailangan masyadong dark since we're going for a somewhat natural look. I'm going to focus at the ends of my eyebrows. Because kapag dito tayo nag-focus at naging dark yan, magmumukhang linta. And then just blend it with the spoolie. And syempre, syempre, just do the same thing with the other side. Messy yung pagkakagawa mo sa eyebrows, then no need to clean the edges. Pero kung beginner ka pa lang and medyo marumi yung pagkakagawa mo, then clean it up using a foundation or a concealer that is close to your skin tone. And of course, use a brush. To prevent my lips from chapping, I'm going to use the Maybelline Baby Lips Glow. What I like about this lip balm is that it is already tinted and I don't need to use a lip tint. So I'm just going to apply it onto my lips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do give it a thumbs up if you did. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. See you guys on my next video. Bye!